Hello Weekend Crafter, welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. I'm Ange, your Weekend Crafter, and for this weekend, I'm going to make St. Patrick's Day earrings. St. Patrick's Day is on March 17 already. But don't worry because these are super simple earrings that are easy to recreate. Before I begin, I always clean my work area first with some alcohol and then I wipe it down. I want to prepare my colors first. I wanted the earrings to remind people of St. Patrick's Day, but I also wanted them to be easy to wear even when the holiday was over. So I started with some green and added some inks. I've learned my lesson in the past and now I'm wearing gloves because the inks I use are pretty hard to remove from my hands. I also added a little bit of blue sapphire ink just to add a bit of depth to the green clay. I am quite cautious in adding ink because I don't want my clay to be too blue. Then I condition the clay until the colors combine. I get translucent clay and add magical forest green to one part. For the other part, I added an equal part of Primo accents in yellow gold glitter. I did this to tone down how gold it was. For the first and simplest pair of earrings, I just used the floral stencil that I received as a gift and then carefully pressed it down on the slab. Then I got some metallic rose gold mica and brushed it on the stencil. I made small circles with my brush until I got to the end of the stencil. Finally, it's time to peel this back. For the cutters, I used my 4-clover cutter. Then I also used my micro circular cutters to punch holes on the end of the clover. Next, I get my 4-petal micro cutter and punch 2 flowers. This also gets punched on 1 petal so that I can attach it to the bigger clover. This is how the earrings look like after it was baked and assembled. I still had some clay left over with the stencil print and so I used another puncher that I cut in half. This time I used the glitter gold clay for the bottom half. I punched the top of the green clay and also the lower center of the green clay and the top center of the gold clay. This is where it will be attached with findings later on. And for the final pair of earrings, I thought that it would be a good idea to use my scraps to make this easy slab. I roll out each of the colors, then I chop them into smaller bits. Finally, I covered the clay with some foil. Then, I stick everything together using my liquid Sculpey. I also use a small piece of glass to press this down to a square block. I rolled out a thinner slab and cut the block into thin slices. And this is how it looked like in the end. I hope that you enjoyed this simple video, and if you haven't yet, I hope that you consider liking and subscribing to the Craft Time Studio. Have a crafty weekend. Bye!